How to get a mortgage, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to Discovery, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we'll guide you through the exciting journey of getting a mortgage. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to refinance, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in. Understanding the basics. Before we start, let's know what is mortgage. A mortgage is a loan used to buy a home. It's essential to have your finances in order. Credit score checkup. First things first, your credit score. Think of it as your financial report card. Good score? Lenders love you. Bad score? You might pay more or get rejected. So, check your credit report, fix any errors, and build good credit habits like paying bills on time. Down payment. Now, let's talk down payments. Saving is key. Set a goal and create a budget to reach it faster. Consider using budgeting tools to track your expenses. Every dollar saved brings you one step closer to your dream home. Types of mortgages. Time to explore mortgage options. There are various types, like fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Research and choose the one that suits your financial goals. Fixed rates offer stability, while adjustable rates may have lower initial payments. The application process. Time to apply. Gather documents like tax returns and pay stubs. Pre-approval helps you understand your budget and makes you a more attractive buyer. Be honest and organized, and remember, lenders are there to help. Bonus tips. Before applying, boost your credit score with simple tips. Pay bills on time, reduce outstanding debt, and correct any errors on your credit report. A higher credit score opens doors to better loan terms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching Discovery, and best of luck on your home buying journey.